Come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, I am Ashraf Ali. May I know your names, please?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Rashi Mishra.
My name is Bhavna Bhatt.
So you are Rashi and you are Bhavna. Rashi, your code is 27A. Bhavna, your code is 27B. Rashi, can you tell me something more about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So, my name is Rashi Mishra and I am from Bharwari, Kaushambi, Uttar Pradesh. And currently, I am in 12th standard from my prestigious school, Kaushambi Presidency School, Bharwari, Kaushambi. My mother's name is Mrs. Maya Mishra and my father's name is Mr. Vishnu Prakash Mishra.
Okay.
And last but not least, I would say that my objective of my life is that I have to serve my nation wholeheartedly, being as an IS officer. Thank you, sir.
So may I know that why do you want to be an IS officer?
Yes, sir. Because this is my aim from my own objectives.
Okay, very good. Bhavna, can you tell me something more about yourself?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am Bhavna Bharti from class 12th A from my prestigious school of Kaushambi Presidency School, which is situated at Bharwari, Kaushambi. My father name is Mr. Nand Kishore and my mother name is Mrs. Shubha Bharti. And I want to become an IS officer.
Okay. Rashi, now you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Bhavna will ask you a question. Then I will also ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, sir. Sir, my topic is time management. So I have to start. Time management is a life management. This is one of the best quote according to me because it describes the meaning of time management in just a few words. Time management is nothing but dividing our time according to our priorities and capabilities to succeed in our life. Time management or time is a very important resource and it is limited. So we cannot buy it or extend it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bhavna, can you ask a question, please?
Rashi, could you please tell me how time management is important for students?
Yes. Time management ensures that students will focus and well prepared according to their assignments that completed work on the time. And it ensures that they can lead success in their life.
Okay, Rashi, very good. Can you tell me why is it important to manage your time appropriately?
Sir, according to me, time management is essential for everyone. But apart from this, time management is very essential for me also because it increases my productivity level and reduces my stress. And it also reduces the procrastination and complete my all the works on the time without any distraction.
Very good. Now, Bhavna, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Rashi will ask you a question. Then I will also ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, thank you, sir. My topic is smart people versus smartphones. Smart people. Smart people are intelligent, they are quite clever and have answer of almost every question. Whereas smartphones are electronic devices that have made our life a lot easier. A smartphone with internet facility is like heaven on earth as it connects us to the rest of the world. But the main point is that only smart people can use these smartphones efficiently and effectively. For instance, say that you are not smart and you have zero knowledge about these electronic devices, then how would you use them perfectly? So being smart is more than just being intelligent. Hence, we should be much aware about our uses and dependency on these gadgets. I would like to conclude myself by saying that there is no perfect comparison between smart people and smartphones because both of them are important at their own basis.
Okay. Rashi, can you ask a question, please?
Yes, sir. Mama, can you tell me that smart people are smarter than smartphones?
Yes, I am agree with your statement. As we all know that AI, that is artificial intelligence, cannot compete with human creativity. We can come up with new ideas, solve problem in a unique way. So, artificial intelligence may be able to mimic our human creativity, but
Very good.
it cannot do the understand or do the same thing that we can do.
Okay, very good. Now, Bhavna, do you believe in the statement which says that while smartphones are getting smarter every single day, people using these smartphones are getting dumber?
Yes, sir, I am agree with your statement. As we can see that nowadays people tends to forget things due to excessive use of smartphones. Previously, people didn't have any problem in remembering telephone numbers and their tasks to do. But now it is very common thing that people forget to do their own things.
Okay. Now, let us go to the next task. I am going to give you a card which has information about a problem. I would like you to read the problem and discuss with your partner how you are going to solve the problem. You have 2 minutes for this. Here is your problem.
Your friend is very shy and doesn't take part in extracurricular activities / sports at school. His parents are worried that he doesn't mix with others but studies all the time. With your partner, discuss what might be the reason for this and what you can say or do to encourage your friend to interact with others.
So, sir, we are ready to do this task.
Okay, you can start.
Bhavna, do you remember our friend Anuradha?
Yes, I know.
Her parents are worried about her because she doesn't take part in any extracurricular activities in school.
Yes, you are right. I think she must have a problem related to social issues. But by all these things, she get a chance to participate in various activities, and she also learn how to talk in a group discussion.
She get confidence if she talks about her, if she talks with her parents and friends also.
Yes, you are right. By all, we must tell her we must tell her that by avoiding these type of activities, she is harming her own health because a healthy mind develops in a healthy body.
I think we should talk her about it.
Yes, you are right. Let us go to talk.
Okay, so can you stop now, please? There is the end of the test.